morning, everyone. How's everyone feeling today? I'm Paulson, and it's an absolute pleasure to be one of your anchors for today's assembly.
And I'm Wilson. Together, we're here to make sure this assembly is not just informative but also exciting and engaging. So let's get started.
Absolutely. To begin our assembly on a positive and serene note, let's start with the morning prayer. I request everyone to join their hands and close their eyes.
Thank you. A peaceful prayer is indeed the perfect start to our day.
Next, we have a message from one of our very own student representatives. Please join me in welcoming Meena Thomas, who has some inspiring words to share with us today. Over to you, Meena.
Thank you, Meena. Your words were truly inspiring and gave us all something to think about.
Keeping up with the pace of the world is important, and for that, we have our new segment. I invite our student representative, Rakesh Nair, to update us with the latest happenings around the globe. Rakesh, the floor is yours.
Thanks a lot, Rakesh. Staying informed about current events helps us understand the world better and make informed decisions.
Absolutely, Wilson. And now it's time for some valuable insights from our teacher in charge. Their words of wisdom always leave a lasting impact on us. Let's welcome our teacher with a big round of applause.
Thank you so much, teacher. Your guidance and advice are always invaluable to us.
As we draw our assembly to a close, let's carry forward the positive energy and lessons we've learned today.
Remember, each day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Let's make the most of it.
Thank you, everyone, for your attentive presence. Have a fantastic day ahead.
Stay positive, stay focused, and keep striving for excellence. Thank you, and have a great day.